Hello, welcome to Sign.net. Sign.net is a digital signing platform which enables meaningful interactions to take place safely and securely. Transactions are going digital, and the need to move transactions online has been exacerbated due to the remote working requirements and travel restrictions that have been put in place during the COVID-19 pandemic. Sign.net firmly believes that there needs to be proper safeguards to allow everybody, yes, even the individuals, students, freelancers, and startups, to transact safely and securely in the digital space. There are three key pillars of Sign.net that helps users protect their documents. 1. Sign identity. From email password verification to verification of government ID, Sign.net offers a variety of options to calibrate the user authentication level appropriate for each document. Sign.net is the first digital signing platform in Singapore to be integrated with MyInfo. Users can verify their Sign.net account with MyInfo in minutes and transact with greater confidence. We also enable user verification by government ID and mobile phone for users from over more than 190 countries all over the world. 2. Clarity of consent. Sign.net automatically captures an audit trail of activities performed on your document, such as signer's email, IP address, and timestamp. If there is ever a need to prove a recipient's consent on your document, you will have all the supporting documents on hand. 3. Document security. Every PDF document signed through our platform is certified with a Sign.net seal, which is recognized by Adobe under the Adobe Approved Trust List, a universally accepted method which enterprises trust today. For high-value documents, you can even have the option of storing a document checksum or fingerprint of your document on the blockchain. With these key features, Sign.net is compliant with requirements set out by major laws regulating electronic signatures in the world, such as ETA, eSign, UETA, and eIDAS, thereby enabling users to increase the legal significance of their documents with a click of your fingers. It is easy to get started on Sign.net, and we will now show you how. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will upload and send a document to two recipients. To upload documents, click this button or drag and drop a file from your computer. You can also upload multiple documents in PDF, Doc, Excel, or PowerPoint, up to 25 MB in size. Once uploaded, your document will be displayed on the bottom left. Click Next to proceed. Add the recipient's first and last name and their email address. Click Add to add your recipient. You can also search your address book to find your recipient. You can add multiple recipients to your document. You can also add recipients who do not sign on the document for whom you would like to receive a copy of the completed document. Click Next Step to proceed. This is where we add our fields for each recipient. Before we add our fields, take a look at the two bars above. Selected document shows the current document on your screen. If you uploaded multiple documents, you can switch between documents. Document title is the name of the document. You can also use it to rename the document. Now, let's add our fields. Let's start with the sender's fields. You can pick an existing signature or create a new one by clicking the plus button. The signature can be drawn or typed. For this demo, let's make a new type signature. The signature ID is the name of the signature. In this case, let's call this signature initials. Click Save Signature, and now we can use it. Now, let's add our fields for the recipients. To add a field for the recipients, click on the drop-down menu below their names and select a field of your choosing. Click Next Step to proceed. There are additional optional settings that can be applied to automate certain actions. The signing order option allows you to send requests to sign according to an assigned order. In this example, James, the document sender, is the first signer and has already signed the document while setting it up. Rick will be the next person to receive an email notification for signing. After he has signed, John will then receive the notification for signing. It is also possible to set two signers in the same order. The due date option allows you to set a due date for your document. Email notifications will be sent 1, 3, and 5 days prior to the due date to the document sender and recipients who have not signed the document. Once the due date has reached, the document will expire and cannot be accessible anymore. However, the document sender can extend the due date if required. The Add a Message option allows you to add a personalized message such as greetings or instructions for a recipient. The message will be displayed in the email notification to the recipients. The passcode option allows you to set a second level of authentication for your signers. Recipients will need to key in the passcode in order to view the document. Document sender will need to send the passcode to the recipient via a different mode of communication or a separate device. The Notarized Document option allows you to store the document checksum, in other words, a fingerprint of a document, onto the blockchain. Blockchain is used as a neutral third party to hold the document checksum secure. To use this option, signed points are required to redeem for document notarization. If you are interested in blockchain notarization, please look out for a separate video demo on this. Once the document is ready, click Send and the document will be sent to the recipients. Now, in a few minutes, the second signer, Rick, would have received an email notification with the request to sign a document. This is the first time Rick is using Sign.net. He does not need to sign up for a Sign.net account to sign a document. From the email, click on View Document. For recipients without an account, they will have to click this checkbox and agree to using electronic signatures. Click Continue and check your first and last name. Because the document is protected, you will need to enter the passcode to access the document. You will then be prompted to create a signature. This can be drawn or typed out. Proceed to fill in the fields. Click on every highlighted field on the document. Click on Name, Signature, and Date. When you are done, click Submit. You receive a copy of the document in your email once it has been completed by all signers. You are then given the option to create a Sign.net account. If you would like to access a document from Sign.net platform, or use Sign.net to sign or send out documents in the future, you can sign up for an account. After signing the document, check your email for a confirmation that you have successfully signed a document. Now it is John's turn to sign the document. John already has a Sign.net account. Check your email for a notification that requests for your signature. Click on View Document. You'll be brought to Sign.net, where you will have to log in with your credentials in order to sign the document. Enter the passcode to access the document. After you key in the passcode, you can start to fill in your fields. Click on every highlighted field on the document. In this case, click on Name, Signature, and Date. When you are done, click Submit. After signing the document, check your email for a confirmation that you have successfully signed the document. Now that the document has been completely signed, the document sender can view the completed document in their Sign.net account. Go to Documents and select Completed Documents. Here, you can find all documents that have been signed completely. You can check the document's audit trail by clicking Activities. This audit trail records the document's progress. It also shows the location, IP address, date, time, and activity performed by the recipient. Ultimately, it serves as a backup info for proof of who signed the document. Every PDF document signed through our platform is certified with our corporate seal, recognized by Adobe under the Adobe Approved Trust List. This is a universally accepted method which enterprises trust today. You can see the seal when viewing the document on Adobe Acrobat. As you can see, it is very easy to sign documents on Sign.net and helps you to transact safely and securely in the digital space. Set up your Sign.net account now by scanning the QR code on screen.